स्पीकर सर, दो चीजें हैं सर। एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर, 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं। मैं क्यों बोल
I want to understand.
आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू। आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए। नहीं देखिए, आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया, किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया।
Okay, Speaker sir, वो एप्स्टीन की बात नहीं कर रहा।
Is not related with the budget.
Okay sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow that.
I'm not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, जुजित्सु में ग्रिप दिखती है, राजनीति में ग्रिप चोक नहीं दिखता। At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सदस्य नहीं जिस पे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे सवाल देंगे? किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं। अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़
ओके, तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए।
ओके
आप
सर, अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए। देखिए, आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें। बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर,
बजट पे आलोचना
सर आप मुझे करने दीजिए।
आपको बिल्कुल लगा। आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सदन नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को।
सर मिस्टर अदानी is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं, कहाँ क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP.
Leveling charges against higher authorities, and only you can speak. श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल,
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनकी आदत बन गई है, टिपिकली सुनाते हैं।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार-बार कहा, हम लोग बहुत शांति से
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
आई एम वेरी
सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will diminish your own position.
I'll give you a reason. I'll give
you
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी चाहे।
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
and
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who
आप जो
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है, sir.
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए। A member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its agreement. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें और सबक पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office, authority, unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper term. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए.
ठीक
It is completely against the rules.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए. उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ. आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record, and now you can speak.
1 minute,
No.
Sir, 1
You
minute,
have
sir.
made allegation.
Yes,
You have made
I agree,
allegation
sir.
that
Sir,
will not go on the record. This is mine.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I'm reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister. 2 former Prime Ministers. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please come with it. That is applicable for him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industrialist.
To explain his whatever you are labeling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So
No.
there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it. How if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul ji.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पर ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think so
sir.
why you are just
Speaker sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना, ये भी कार्रवाई हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Didi. Selja is also for
Speaker sir,
and
you know
this is
we
absolutely-
know we have fondness for you.
Speaker,
You are an
Speaker
ex-member
has
of
made
our
it.
party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
You are a member of our party, sir.
अच्छा,
Ex-member.
Ex-member, na? But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we know your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know
बात
your heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते. आप अगर if you are sitting there तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here, if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to. You should move on correct track.
So as today, as your sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.